Yes, I am Garo. So these are ginger wine.
हेलो नमस्ते। आप कहाँ से हो? आपका घर कहाँ है? अच्छा अच्छा, ये आपका बिजनेस है? वाह, यहीं पे रह रहे हो? ये टेंट में? अच्छा, ठीक है। हेलो। हेलो। Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Dev Bhore. You are watching my channel Ami Bhabogure. I am here at Tura. It is the West Garo Hill, the great festival. This is the Wangala 100 Drums Festival is going on here. Will you please tell me regarding all this?
These are wine, ginger wine, local made. Then chili pickle.
Pickle.
This one's jackfruit pickle. Obviously, and then this one's beef, and then beef pickle and pork pickle, and this one is also beef pickle.
You have made it at your home?
Yeah, actually
All
all
the-
are local made, but then not only mine,
Oh,
but my sister's one.
along with other your
Family members.
villagers. Okay, it's fine. Great to see it.
And we have this one also, mango pickle,
Mango pickle.
and also pomelo. This one's papaya.
Where, actually, where are you from? This
We're from Surat.
Pura, you are local here. Great.
We have chicken pakora also if you want to have.
Chicken pakoda. Okay.
You want to have?
One plate.
Yes. Even fried rice.
Fried.
Fried
No, no,
rice.
no, no. Fried rice खावे? No. Only chicken pakoda.
So these are locally made products. These bottles, these are ginger wine, and we have here the jackfruit pickle. Okay, this one's a jackfruit pickle, and then we're selling it for 180. And also we have beef pickle. This is for 80 rupees. And even pork pickle we have. Like we fry it, we give vinegar and ginger garlic, and then like it's ready to eat. I think that's it. Yes, sir.
From where do you have acquired all this? I think you not made it in your home self. It is not you made it, all these things.
Oh yes.
Some people, some neighbors, some
Yeah.
your sister, anything.
Yeah.
Please mention.
See, these are made by my sisters. Even my mom, she made this pickles, and then they wanted me to sell this one here in this festival. So I
You are making all, for this festival only.
yes
This
sir,
one.
yes sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you sir.
And you will get me there at Ami Bhabogure. This channel you will get me there. Your episode will be exclusively there. Okay. आप इस तरफ आ जाओ सर. Great festival. This is the Wangala 100 Drums Festival is going on here. One of the great festival of West Garo Hill. So I would like to refer some one of the local sister here. I have got found her, and she will tell you what is the significance and how it is happened and where I am. All these things she will tell you. That will be better and authentic.
Thank you so much, sir. My name is Aurea Cheryl Bimara. I am from Tura, West Garo Hills, and now we are here in Chibragre picnic spot where the Wangala festival is going on. This Wangala festival is celebrated as Thanksgiving ceremony for the harvest, for the good harvest that our God, the Sun God, has blessed us with. So during this festival, many people come from different parts of Garo Hills and also from neighboring states and countries like you, sir. And we celebrate. We have many rituals here. That is you'll get to see when sir will show you the ceremonies and rituals that are being held here. And about Garos,
You are belong the same clan or tribe.
yes, I am Garo. So we ourselves we call ourselves as Achik, the Achik. So the people of Garo Hills are called as Achik, and most of the people here we depend on agriculture for livelihood, and also because in this generation many people.
And one thing I have heard that you are still belonging the lineal society.
Yes, sir.
That is, you are got your title from your mother,
Yes, sir.
and the all properties are belongs to your mother
Yes,
and to you too.
Yes,
and
sir.
your predecessor will be getting from you.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what
About this.
regarding this and what do you think?
Sir, about the matrilineal society, I think only in Meghalaya, that is West Garo Hills, Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. So Meghalaya and also some part of southern part of India, we follow this matrilineal system. So in this matrilineal system, we have like all the properties, all the belongings, everything are inherited by the daughter of the house, and also the surname that we have, the clan, no, even the clan we get it from from our mother's side. So that's it, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you.